Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Mohini, your hair care, skincare, general life specialist over here. And I'm here to tell you welcome spring. It's a really exciting time just because I love all the new product releases. So I have a lot of fun stuff to share with you guys today. I really like this new product and this new line called Sunday Riley. I'm sure you guys have heard of this line before. They're really luxe. Their qualities are amazing. And this is their B3 Nice Serum. It's 10% niacinamide, and they claim that it has resveratrol, ECG, and Brightening. So it's water-based. It's 10% niacinamide serum supercharged with resveratrol, reduces the look of pore size, surface redness, and blotchy tone for balanced and clearer looking skin. And it's 1 fluid ounces. So we'll do the opening together. This is what it looks like. Really great packaging. I love the presentation. And niacinamide is beneficial to oily and dry skin as it helps to diminish the appearance of stretched pores. Comes with 1 fluid ounce. Really nice packaging, and it says that it's B Corp certified, which means they meet the highest standards of verified social and environmental performance, public transparency, and legal accountability to balance profit and purpose. They're also cruelty-free and energy efficient. So over here in the box, they list what each of the key ingredients does. I'll just read a few. We already went over niacinamide. What Brightening does is a biotechnologically created molecule that's activated by skin's microbiome to brighten the look of skin and soothe the signs of sensitivity. Resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and partners with niacinamide to lighten the appearance of dark spots. EGCG, a powerful antioxidant from green tea that fights the looks of visible aging effects from pollution and oxidative stress. It also boasts having Boswellia serrata, which is an Indian frankincense, an herbal extract inhibiting 2 pro-inflammatory enzymes to slow the look of aging and support the look of skin texture. That's something I'm actually not familiar with, so that's pretty cool. They have a bunch of new ingredients that we're not familiar with. They also have, I hope I'm saying this correctly, curcuminoids, natural polyphenol compounds derived from turmeric to slow the appearance of premature skin. And the last but not least is matasoside plus acetoside, active components of Centella acidica plant. As a duo, they help to support natural collagen production while accelerating the skin repair process. So it has a lot of great ingredients that I'm really excited for. I feel like this is like one of the best probably niacinamide serums on the market. So I'm really excited to use this. I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit to my skin. They said to just apply a few drops and then we can like feel how great it feels or what the texture is like. Oh, it's like a purple color. The color's so pretty. Oh my god. This color is so pretty. Wow, that's why the bottle's lavender. Now it makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually put it all over my skin. It smells, there's not really a fragrance to it, which is good. It doesn't smell gross, but it feels really nice on the skin. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be incorporating this into my skincare. Super exciting. It's a really good product. But yeah, If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you guys do purchase this product, leave some comments. Let us know how you feel about it. I'm just like kind of taken aback at how pretty the color is. But let me know what you guys think and continue watching more videos for new products and reviews. Bye!